everyone, this is Andrea and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome and don't forget to subscribe. Help me reach 5,000 subscribers till February 25th of 2019. I don't know if we can achieve that, but why not? So this is a video that I'm not used to because I don't usually do sit-down videos and hindi ako masyadong, talk about things in life. But this is new for me, so bear with me. So the first one that I'm gonna talk about is what it's like living away from the Philippines. So if you don't know, I am originally from the Philippines and I live here now in Daly City, California because I just got married on October 26, 2018, so this year. Living away from the Philippines is hard because you're not used to living in another country. Like, for the most part of my life, I live independently. I lived in Davao, I live in Manila. But it's totally different when you're in another country because you cannot see your family, your friends whenever you want to. You can just talk to them via, FaceTime calls, Facebook Messenger. So it was hard. So when I left the country, while I was on the plane, while the plane was taking off, I was crying so hard even nung nandun pa lang ako sa boarding gate because I knew that time that hindi ko na makakasama yung dad ko, yung tatay ko for a long time. I cannot go to the Philippines right away when there are emergencies. I can't go to my brother's graduation whenever I decided to go there. Like, my brother will graduate grade 6 this April or May, and so I'm not gonna be there. And I know that's an important part of his life, but it's sad na wala ko doon. So, yun, yung mga holidays na mamimiss ko rin, like this Christmas, this New Year. Ako, I think that even though I was independent in the Philippines, laging sa family ko pa rin ako nag-celebrate ng New Year and Christmas. So, this is gonna be the first Christmas na hindi ko sila kasama. So, back to my story while I was on the flight. So, before, nung nagte-take off pa lang yung plane, sobrang umiiyak ako dahil hindi ko na sila makikita ng matagal. I am gonna go home to the Philippines, but it's gonna be next year, December 2019. And I cannot leave the country whenever I want to because it's pricey. And of course, I'm still adjusting my status here in the US. So, yun. When you're adjusting your status, you cannot go outside of the country. You can travel, but just inside the US. So, yun. Kaya naiintindihan ko yung mga YouTubers na nakatira sila sa US ngayon and they're still adjusting their status and they can't go out of the country, go to their home country because once lumabas ka ng bansa, magde-decide na ang US CIS. So, yes, CIS is yung nagpa-process ng adjustments, green cards, something like that. So, i-declare nila na iniwan mo na yung application mo here sa US. So, but I can still go out if I have advance parole na tinatawag nila. So, advance parole is a paper, a document na kailangan meron ka before ka lumabas to declare na you're just living for like travel or emergency, medical, something important na babalik ka pa rin. Sometimes I get sad, like, dahil wala akong masyadong nagagawa because I don't have work yet here. I don't have my work authorization yet. I still have to wait 3 to 5 months before I can work. Once I have that employment authorization, dun pa lang ako pwedeng mag-apply. So right now, I am busy making videos, doing my paperworks, planning stuff for the future. And yun, so whenever I don't do something, naiisip ko na I'm far away and I feel alone. But you know, it's just a part of it. It's like part of the process na adjustment. Next one is what it's like to be married at 21. 21 is still a young age in marrying, as they say. Like when I was, you know, younger, my goal age to get married was 28. So sabi ko when I was young na I want to get married when I'm 28. I want to have babies when I'm 28, but life is life. I got married at 21 and I'm happy. And you know, when you're ready, age doesn't matter, except when you're like 18 below. Ako, for the most part, I think when I go into a relationship, my goal is to always, you know, that ang end goal is to get married in the future. Kasi if you're going into a relationship and you're just like, oh, whatever, baka hindi pa siya. I don't like that kind of thinking. Like, yeah, I mean, malalaman mo if hindi pa siya, but my end goal is always I am going in a relationship because I want to meet my future partner, and that I hope ito na, you know. But you know, not all the time nangyayari yun. But when I met Erica, that's the time that I knew this is going to last. I am very thankful because my dad is very supportive sa akin dahil, you know, kung sino man gusto kong mahalin, he supports me. But like, you know, different circumstances, like for example, you're still under the supervision of your parents, and for them it's not okay to get married at 21, then who will you follow? Of course, your parents. So, but me, my family, my father is very supportive sa akin. So when I told him that I will get married, he was happy for me. And he's always happy for me. Every day he asks me, are you okay? I hope you're happy. And my father really likes Erica because she's very kind. I think deciding on getting married, it's up to a person if they are ready. If, you know, why not? But I don't say that whenever you feel ready, okay, let's do it, you know. Because when you feel ready, you still have to think, okay, is this the right time? You still have to think about it even if you feel you're ready. Because sometimes you just get emotional or you just get excited when someone you love told you that they want to get married with you. You get excited, but you know, you still have to think about it if you're ready, or if you want to do this right away, because it's a big commitment. It's really a big commitment. It's not like, okay, let's get married and let's go to somewhere. No, it wasn't like that to us. When I told my father that I will get married, he was very happy for me because he really likes the person that I'm going to marry because she's very kind. And she knows I'm gonna be in good hands because yun lang naman yung concern ng parents natin, diba? Ng family natin is if you're marrying someone na aalagaan ka o mabuti sa'yo, and if they can see that, then why not? I think it just depends on the person. So the next one is what it's like to be in a same-sex relationship. It's basically just this, like me, I feel like it's the same. When I was with the man or with the woman, it's just, it feels the same. Except like the perspective of the people around you. The people na hindi ka kilala. So dun medyo mahirap. But Ako, out na ako matagal na. Even when I was like 14 or 15, I knew I like girls. But there was a time in my life that that I didn't know kung ano bang makakatuluyan ko. Like, is it a man? Is it a woman? But like, I've always prayed that if I will marry someone, I hope no matter what gender it is, that it's someone who loves me, a person who loves me, and a person who will take care of me, a person that I will grow old with. And yun, so it's just the same. And the only thing that is different is, for me right now, being married to a woman, it's like having kids. It's totally different process, unlike if you're in a heterosexual relationship. What? So it's totally different when you're in a heterosexual relationship. Nabubulol ako dun. Heterosexual relationship. If you're in a heterosexual relationship, having babies is totally different. Like, for us, for same-sex relationship, we know we wanted to do IVF. So if you're in a same-sex relationship and you dream of babies, you know that stuff. You know IVF. Actually, even the heterosexual couples, they know IVF. I've known couples that know IVF because it just doesn't apply only to same-sex relationships. It also applies to heterosexual relationships who have trouble in, having babies, infertility, or something like that. So for us, I've always knew that someday if I will marry a woman, I'm gonna have a baby through the IVF or the in vitro fertilization. I think right now, IVF costs like $15,000. Those prices, wala pa yung medicine. So medicine for that costs like $4,000 to $7,000. I don't know the price in the Philippines, but here in US, that's the price. IVF is very expensive. If you can't afford it and you want to have your own baby, that's gonna be hard for you. I mean, you can adopt, but if you want to have your babies, that's gonna be heartbreaking. Let me tell you about IVF. So IVF is in vitro fertilization, where someone will donate a sperm, even if it's not a family member. So mostly ang nangyayari is there are sperm banks where you can buy sperm. So there are sperm donors, they called. So you will buy those sperm, and then a partner of yours will retrieve her egg. So that's the process na IVF. So yung egg niya, ito yung sperm, ipa-fertilize nila yon sa clinic. That's the IVF process. So this is the sperm donor. This is the egg of your partner fertilized. That's gonna be an embryo. The next one is the embryo transfer. So there's this other partner, the other girl that will carry the baby. So there's the egg and there's the carrier of the baby. So me, Erica, are planning to have a baby in the future. So she will be the one who will, give the egg, and then I will carry the baby. And in the future, maybe if we can have another baby by using my own egg. For gay couples, like for not a lesbian relationship, for gay relationships, actually it's both gay, but like for like a man and a man relationship, ang pinag-aiba lang is there's this egg donor. So may sperm na, so egg na lang yung kailangan. So this is their sperm, this is the egg fertilized, that's gonna be an embryo. Of course, a man cannot carry a baby, he can't be pregnant, so there's this surrogate na tinatawag that will carry the baby. And when that baby comes, they have a baby. So, ang masaya lang sa amin sa part ng lesbian relationship, same-sex relationship, is that someone can give the egg and I can carry. So like, we're both moms of that baby. So it's a long process, and I've been watching videos about IVF. It's a long journey. It's an expensive journey. And most of the times talaga heartbreaking kasi it's not always successful when you do IVF. It's not always successful the first time you try. So it takes a lot of courage and dedication. I mean, another thing about like same-sex relationship, I can't think of anything different. Kasi like, when you're in this world, when you're in a same-sex relationship, when you're in the LGBT community, it feels normal. It feels normal. Wala na akong maisip na kakaiba. I think maybe how man thinks about something. But like, with Erica, she thinks like a man. Like, she thinks like a man. But like, masaya pa rin because she can easily understand what I want because she's a woman, I'm a woman. So yeah, it's hard to explain the normality. Is that a word? Normality. Because there's an abnormality. But it's like, it's normal for me. It's normal for her. The only thing na medyo mahirap is, you know, what people say to you. Like for me, is she here? I think Erica's here. What people tell me na ang mahirap lang doon is when people criticize you. But like for me, it's normal. It's not, I'm used to it na if people say something like, oh, hindi halata that you're a lesbian, and why would you have a same-sex relationship? Bakit hindi lalaki? Something like that. It's hard. It's hard to explain to people. But like, when you're happy, when you're in a same-sex relationship and you're happy and your partner respects you and you're in a good relationship, that's gonna be fine. It's life, people. Accept it. So yun. So that's all I'm gonna talk about. This is my first sit-down video talking about things like this, and it was fun. It's fun sharing things like this with you guys. So make sure to like this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And yun lang. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, I forgot. So if you have questions, if you have suggestions on what should I talk about next, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! This is it.